Hello everyone, I am here again one more I am again here with the one more example of list. So the program heading is actually uh, we will be having two strings and we will be doing addition of these two strings but of different length, and addition also starting from the right hand side. So let's write the program for that. Suppose it is like nums1 equal to like our first list only, and I am writing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4, something like this. And we have one more list, and I am writing 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and so we are done with the list. But basic concept is they are of different length. That is the first thing, and we want to do the addition from the right hand side. Okay, so now first of all we are going to find the length difference. So we'll give you one more space actually. Find underscore length. Okay, it is equal to length of nums1. Okay, and minus inside the bracket I'm writing actually because I want to do -1 also, nums2 minus 1. So we are doing here the finding the length. So length of num1 is 6 because 6 numbers, and length of only num2 is 4, and 4 minus 1 it is 3. So 6 minus 3 we will get hashtag 3 comment. Okay, so now I will write for I in range, and it will be like range length of nums1 because we will go in reverse order right hand side, comma 0 comma and -1. Okay, then obviously we will write if condition if I minus find underscore length less than 0. Now why we are writing this? Because we want to do addition based on only 4 numbers, and that is also right hand side. So if it is different length, so we have to write this condition so that it will work only for that much time only. uh, if it is condition true, then obviously break, come out from the loop. But if condition is false, then we will do nums of I nums1, sorry, nums1, because we are modifying our answer also in nums1. So I minus 1 and then equal to sign, and again we will write the same thing because that same place we want to do modification starting from right hand side, and then plus sign and nums of 2, and then I minus, and we have a find underscore length as a variable. Okay, and then we will write print nums1. So, and one more thing, let me write this part in the comment section. It is easy for you all to understand. Okay, now how it is going to work? We are finding the length, so we are done with that. Hashtag 3. Length of this is nums1 is 6. So I will be initially 6. Then 6 minus our length. So here I am writing hashtag 3, and condition is less than 0. So obviously it is 3 less than 0, it is false. So it will jump to this part. And wherever I is there, it will get replaced by 6 right now. Here also 6. Here 6, and find length we know it is 3. So now what is the meaning of this line is nothing but it will be nums1 of 5 will be equal to nums1 of 5 plus nums2 of 3. That means at this place it will be nums1 of 5. So index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The number is 4. Nums2 of 3, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Number is 4. And if I do 4 plus 4, answer will be what? 8. So that 8 will get stored at which index number? 5 of number 1 list. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So likewise, if we check, then we will get the final answer as 5 comma 6 will remain as it is. Hashtag and 5 and 6 will remain as it is. Then 7 with 1, it will be 8. Then this 8 and 2 will be 10. Then 9 and 3, it will be 12. And then 4 and 4 at the end, that will be 8. So this will be our final answer. If we do the addition from the right hand side, 4 numbers with the second list 4 numbers, so that first list first 2 number will remain as it is, and the final answer is 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then it is 8. So now let's check the output also. What we are getting: 5, 6, 8, and 10, 12, and 8. See, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 8. So this is how you can add the numbers of different length but starting from the right hand side. Thank you everyone.